Hi guys, a very warm welcome. Creating YouTube chapters manually can take 30 to 45 minutes or even more. In this video, I'll show you a simple AI powered workflow to generate accurate SEO friendly YouTube chapters in minutes. This method helps reduce manual work, improve chapter accuracy, and ensures important sections are not missed. This method works for any YouTube video, whether it's public or private. The only requirement is that the video must have some kind of voice, like commentary, a podcast discussion, or a cutscene, or a guide with audio narration. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open YouTube Studio. Then from the left sidebar, go to content section. Now navigate to the video for which you want to generate the chapters. Here you can simply click on video playback link, or there is an edit button. You can click on that, and on the right hand side you will be able to see the link. Click on it, and once the YouTube video opens, look just below the player. You will see the transcript option. Click on show transcript. Now on the right hand side, YouTube will display the complete transcript along with the timestamps for the entire video. If you scroll down, you can actually browse through the entire video conversation, commentary without watching the whole thing manually. Now, here is the important part. At the top of the transcript panel, you will see the copy transcript option, but don't click it directly. There is a small drop down beside it. Click the drop down and choose copy transcript with timestamps. This will copy the entire transcript along with the timestamp from start to finish. Now open 2 to 3 different AI tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini. After that, copy the complete transcript of your YouTube video and paste it into all 3 AI tools. Then in the same conversation, paste this prompt. Please provide only important chapters based on the transcript for the YouTube video. Now, if you see, the output may include unnecessary details or too many chapters. In that case, use a more refined prompt. Please provide SEO friendly YouTube chapters, short, catchy, and keyword rich for maximum discoverability. Once all 3 AI engines generate their chapters, copy the result into Excel for quick comparison and analysis. Now comes the most important part. Do not use the AI generated chapters exactly as they are. Keep only the important ones and meaningful chapters. The reason is there could be incorrectness or some miscalculations done by AI which we need to review. Discard unnecessary, repetitive, or low value timestamps. This manual review step is extremely important because AI generated timestamps may not always be perfectly accurate. After validating and refining everything, finalize the chapter list. Finally, update the chapters in the YouTube description. This workflow helps save a massive amount of time while ensuring the chapters are accurate, viewer friendly, and optimized for discoverability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a topic in mind, mention it in the comment section. I'll try to cover it in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.